The state of the art in autonomous driving today is quite exciting. It can drive autonomously, but in a rather stupid way. It will go in a fixed lane, stop when there's an obstacle, wait for the obstacle to clear and go. We're not so good yet in overtaking, changing lane, going about a roundabout. We just had a cutting-edge forum on autonomous driving and the challenges with the solutions focused on using technologies from robotics, AI, intelligent transportation systems to provide solutions so that we can overtake, we can plan better, we can have better understanding of the environment.
One of the key questions for autonomous driving is the perception system, because it's important to have a good assessment of the situation in order to take the right decision for driving. But we are more and more using technology for coming from AI, in particular for deep learning. One of the points with deep learning is that it works quite well in most of the time, but when it doesn't work, we don't know why.
One prevailing topic is on predicting human behavior, like human-driven cars, pedestrians, because you need to predict where they will be in the next second, next 2 seconds, 3 seconds, so you can plan the maneuver better, right? So you can overtake. For example, you're overtaking to the right, you want to see whether the car to the right will speed up or not.
We are looking for a solution for the vulnerability of the technology. Cyber attacks can be at all the levels. So I mean, for the decision system, for the perception system. For instance, for one reason, one guy decided to remove a pedestrian from the perception of the vehicle, of a camera. But we are looking for solutions, but we don't have the solution at the moment.
In Singapore, we're trying to have it ready by the end of 2022, right? In 3 districts to provide mobility and demand, but mainly concentrating on public transportation system. We should work more together, and one thing that is happening now is providing open source platforms that people can contribute, and so we can build on top of what is known, right? So we don't need to reinvent the wheel. And that is happening already, and more so every year through these conferences like it is.